Who's got a number?
现在可以开始出价。
650.
Well, that's a sizable deposit, I suppose. I'm a bit worried what the neighbours are going to do to me at that price, Benita. But okay, Dee. Now, man, we waited for you, so lovely to see you. See all these people? They were like, where is this lady? Here you are. So, twice.
Yes, bet.
675, thank you. Welcome in. Loving the little handbag there, little designer handbag. Beautiful stuff.
700.
700 on the counter, puts two in at this stage, out of it now. 785. Man, land on the 800.
Bet.
Yes, at 800.
790.
Oh, you're going to follow like that? We're too low, aren't you? You're too embarrassed. I understand. You want to go. You want to be able to skite to the neighbours and family. Look how much I paid. But at 810,000 with the good lady centre stage, who's got the little 15? Last chance. You can fill this place up with kids, no problem whatsoever. Have you got kids?
No.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Maybe one day.
Do you want some?
Anyway. That auction will be after this one. I didn't know we're in the slave trade, Foxy. Thank you for that. Very good. We'll be talking about you on Monday. At 8:10 out of it now, say yes or no. Everyone else, check your pockets, I don't know. Shake the money tree. I'll be back there very soon. Increase their bid from $810,000 to $825,000. 825. On that proviso, I sell. We're on the market. Out she goes. It's at 825.
830.
Oh, loving it. And I got my back to you. How rude. Okay, 830. That's all right. I'll change. Poor bugger. Right, at 830. Finality. You guys had to do all the work. Last chance. But Andy, you do it again, 830. It is. No. So, well done, guys. Thank you very much.
Hold tight.
That concludes the auction. I don't know what I said.